Hello everyone, welcome to Preschool Fun Learn. So today I'm here with the worksheets of phonics, and the topics which we covered in these worksheets are letter sounds, the beginning letter sounds, and the CVCC, that is 3-letter and 4-letter words worksheets. We have done many activities, many videos on these topics, and now it's the time for the worksheets, that is the assessment or the revision time of these topics. You must be thinking that these worksheets are easily available in the market, that too in the printed form, and very economical. So what is the use of making such worksheets? What is the use of doing these activities like this with so much of effort? But let me tell you one thing, that these worksheets are much more beneficial than those market available printed worksheets, because market worksheets which are available, they are only single tasking, like they only tell the child to fill the letters, to write the letters, or complete the particular task, that is CVC or 4-letter words. But these creative worksheets which I have created, they are multidisciplinary in action. They cater to different needs of the child. They cater to fine motor skills. They cater to revision of different concepts. They cater to hand-eye coordination. So they are much more beneficial than those ready-made worksheets. So I request you all to please make these worksheets at home and try it with your child. So before starting, if you are new to my channel or if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, it's a request, press the subscription button, press the red bell icon so that you can get the notification of the new video. Like the video, share the video and comment. So now let's get started. This is our first worksheet based on letter sounds. It says, say the name of each picture loud and color the beginning sound. Here I have drawn some pictures and I have written the beginning letter sounds. The child have to recognize the picture, then they have to color the correct beginning sound. In this you can draw the pictures and just don't color them, so that child will going to color them also, will going to recognize also, recall, and will going to color the beginning sound. So you see how many aims are fulfilled over here: hand-eye coordination, recognition, then recalling, and then coloring, and then coloring the correct beginning sound, revision of the beginning sound. So these are so many multidisciplinary aims which are fulfilled by these activities. These are colored by my child. I have not colored them. These are colored by the kid. And now you can do like this. You can show these pictures to the child. You have written these letters over here, and you can ask the child, this picture is of aeroplane. Aeroplane. Is the beginning sound, and sound represents which letter? Yes, sounds represent this A letter. So you can color them or you can circle the A, whatever you feel like. Then next picture. This picture is of cat. Cat. Yes. And K sound is of which letter, children? This is of C. C for cat. Then this is leaf. Leaf. This is the beginning sound. Which letter? J? No. K? No. L sounds leaf. Then this is mushroom. Mushroom. And M sounds represents which letter? M. Yes. Similarly, we have few more pictures, like you can see these are balloons. Balloons. And B sound is of which letter? Yes, this is B. Now next, this picture is of egg. Egg. And A sound stands for which letter? For E. You can color this. Then next picture. Next picture is of fish. Fish. And the first sound stands for which letter? F. Right. Now this is glass. Glass. And the g sound stands for which letter, children? G. And this is ice cream. I. And the sound stands for alphabet I. And this is hat. Hat. And the sound stands for H. Very good. Now this is lollipop. Lollipop. And the l sound stands for L. This is sun. Sun. And the sound stands for S. Now next picture is of flower. Flower. So f sound stands for F. Similarly, this is key. Hard k. Soft k is the sound of C, and the hard k, that is key. K for key. Similarly, this is watch. Wa is the sound for W. The next picture is of snake. Snake, and the sound stands for S. Similarly, this is train. Train, and the sound stands for T. So that's how we have completed our first worksheet of letter sounds, which revises all the concepts of letter sounds. Now this is our second worksheet on beginning letter sounds, which says write the beginning sound letters in front of the correct picture. Now in this, child have to recognize the picture, then have to read the picture, and have to write the beginning letter sound letter. Now what is the difference between these two worksheets? Here child have to recognize, recall, and have to color. वहाँ पे writing skill काम नहीं आया. But here in this worksheet, we will force the child to write the letter, so that writing skill is also revised, is also developed with this worksheet. So come on, let's start this worksheet. So this is the picture of, you can recognize easily, arrow. Arrow. So A sound stands for which letter? Yes, A. So child will write A like this. Now similarly, next picture is of butterfly. Butterfly, and the B sound stands for B. So child will write B like this. This is caterpillar. Caterpillar. So K sound stands for C, right? This picture is of candle. Candle. So you can write C over here. This is hut. Hut. H means you have to write H over here. This is tree. Tree. So T sounds for which letter? T. So child will write T over here. Then this is joker. Joker. J sound for which letter? J. This is eggplant. So E stands for E. This is duck. Duck. So child will write D over here. The next picture is of heart. Heart. So child will write H over here. This is igloo. Igloo. So I over here. Then key. Key. Then K over here. Then next picture. This is of ladder. Ladder. So for ladder, child will write the beginning sound, that is L. This is necklace. Necklace. So N sounds for N. Then octopus. Octopus. O sounds O. Okay. Then this is moon. Moon. So M sound, that is M. This is pencil. Pencil. So P, we will write P. This is rocket. Rocket. R for R. This is question mark. Qua sounds for Q. So child will write Q over here. This is 6. 6. So child will write S over here. This is U-turn. So child will write U over here. These are vowels. We have done this. So we will write V over here. This is watermelon. So W. Christmas tree. X. Yarn. Y. And zebra crossing. Z. So that's how we have completed our second worksheet. And with the help of this worksheet, child will going to learn how to write the letters, what does particular letter sounds like, and will recall the letter sounds also. Now moving to the next worksheet. Now this is our third worksheet, which is the missing wall, and it says to write the missing wall in the pictures. I have drawn few pictures and I have put a dash in between for the missing vowels. You remember we have done these vowel in the flashcards, consonants and vowels flashcard activity. If you have not seen that video, I'll give the link in the description box. Please visit those activities. Now it's the revision time, so we can show these flashcards to the child and we can ask the child to fill these blanks with any of these walls. Like child will recognize the picture, will going to read it, and will going to put the appropriate wall in the missing place. Now let's start. First picture, like you can clearly see, this is B. So which wall card should be placed over there? It sounds like no. So child will going to search for the correct vowel and will going to write it over here. E. So the missing place of which vowel? E will come over here. B. Then this is box. O is coming. So which vowel will come in this the missing place? O. So child will write O over here. Then sun. Sun. So sounds for which vowel? U. So child will write U at the missing place. Sun. Then this is bug. Again bug. Is coming. Sounds for U. So child will write U and it becomes bug. Cap. App. A sound is coming. A stands for A. So A. Cap. Then cat. Again A sound is coming. So child will write A all over here. It becomes cat. Cup. Again a sound is coming in between. Cup. So child will write a sound, that is U. Cup. Again sad. A. Again A is coming. So child will write A over here. Then pig. E. E sound is coming. So child will write I over here. Pig. This is hot. O sound is coming. So child will write O over here. Hot. This is zip. Again E sound is coming. So I over here. Zip. Bat. Again A sound is coming. So child will write A over here. So like this is the revision worksheet for the vowel sounds and CVC words. Child will recognize the picture, will going to fill in the pictures. Like this child will increase the vocabulary and will increase the spellings also. Small spellings, 3-letter words. So this is the third worksheet. Now this is our next worksheet of 3-letter words and 4-letter words. In this worksheet I have drawn the picture. Then I have written the letters in the circle in the scrambled manner. That is not the correct sequence. Child have to arrange the letters in the correct sequence and have to write it over here. इससे क्या होगा? They will have the writing practice. They will arrange the letters. So they will going to recall it, recognize it, and will going to write it. And I have not colored these pictures so that child can color also. Like that, fine motor skills will be developed, vocabulary will be increased, revision of CVC and CVCC words will be there, and then child will write it, so revision of writing the letters will also be there. So this is very good worksheet for the children. Let's start. First picture, this is of hut. So child will going to read it. Hut. H sound is coming in beginning. So her sounds for H. So child will write first of all H from this. H chala gaya. Then what is left? Hut. T. T is coming at the end, right? So child will write T at last. T bhi chala gaya. Then what is left? U. So spelling of hut becomes H-U-T. Hut. Isse child will learn the spelling also. We're going to recognize the picture. We're going to color it and enjoy it also. Now next picture. This is of lamp. Lamp. L sounds again with the L. So come on, let's write L first. L. La. A. That means A. P. At the last, lamp. What is left? M is left. That's how it becomes lamp. This is bell. Bell. B is coming in the beginning. So B will write be. So we will write E after B. Then two L are left. You can write LL. That means bell is written like B-E-L-L. Bell. Then this is of duck. Duck. D for D. So we will write D first. Duck. K at the last. That means K at the last. D. A sound is coming. So after D you can write U. What is left? C is left. So duck becomes D-U-C-K. Then this is ball. B is coming in beginning. A. L. So it becomes ball. Similarly, this is fan. Child will going to arrange it. Fan. So child will write fa like this. No sound at the last. That is N. Like this. Child can scramble the word like this. We're going to try the different combination and finally can learn the spellings after arranging it properly. Next picture. Yes, children. This is the cold drink can or the juice can. Can. So C first. Ca. That means A. After that N at the last. So C-A-N. Can. This is rain. Ray. That means R-A. Ray. N. N at the last. So N. What is left in between? I. So rain. Similarly, star. S-T-A-R. At the last. Star. Similarly, this is flag. F-L. Egg. A-G. Flag. Similarly, this is happy. H-A-P. P at the last. What is left? One P is left. You can write here. Happy. This is cookie. Coo. Then key. K-I-E. Cookie. This is kitty. K-I-T-T-Y. Kitty. This completes our last worksheet also. Now you can color the pictures and enjoy. So you have seen we have completed 4 worksheets, and these are not just 4 worksheets. You have revised the major concepts of phonics, that is letter sounds, beginning sounds, 3-letter words and 4-letter words with these worksheets. So I hope you all enjoyed these worksheets. Please try them at home with your kids, and if you like these worksheets, please like the video, share the video, comment in the section below, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.